May pinagdadaanan ka bang financial famine? Tumataas presyo ng bilihin, hirap ang economy, bagsak negosyo, kulang lagi ang kita. Here's the wildest Bible truth. Isaac sowed in a famine and reaped 100-fold that same year. And this same blessing is available for you today. Sa Genesis 26, may severe famine sa land. Lahat takot, lahat naghihirap, lahat nalulugi. Pero sabi ni Lord kay Isaac, "Stay where I tell you and I will bless you." Instead of fleeing or hoarding or quitting, Isaac sowed. He planted seeds in the worst time, and God did something supernatural. Isaac sowed in the land and reaped 100-fold, and the Lord blessed him. Yung 100-fold dito sa Hebrew ay Mea Shearim, meaning supernatural multiplication, abundance in impossible conditions, results not based on economy but covenant. Isaac prospered in famine because he wasn't living by the world system. He was living under God's covenant blessing. And through Christ, you are Abraham's seed, same covenant, same blessing. In your famine season, your giving, your sowing, your generosity, your obedience, God multiplies it. God opens doors. God brings harvest in impossible places. So today, don't fear famine. God can prosper you in any season. Declare this: I sow in faith, I reap in abundance, even in famine. Comment mo dyan, my friend. 100-fold blessing is mine. Like, subscribe, and share para mas maraming tao ang ma-encourage na God can bless them even when the world is shaking. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.